Hey again, everyone. Ethan back at IWF at the Shaper Tools booth with Joe. He's going to tell us a little bit about what we got going on. So tell us about the company first, and then we'll talk about this fella right here.
Yeah, definitely. We're Shaper Tools. We're based out of San Francisco, California. We've developed Origin, and you'll hear us refer to this as a handheld CNC machine. For those of you familiar with CNC routing, big gantry-based machine, this is not meant to replace that machine in high volume production. Instead, this is a whole new class of tool. It's designed to be fast, flexible, and easy, and really fit into shops, fit into the existing workflow of shops of any size. So we're really focused on bringing easy and accessible precision to a handheld form factor, and I say shops of any size, but actually shops of no size at all, because it actually packs down into a small container.
This is the only shop you need right here.
And you can also bring it on site, so you could be, digging into a living room floor, doing inlays, whatever it takes.
That is an exciting thing, because if you need to take one of these to a job site, it's just easy, pack stuff like that. You can do everything you need to do with it right there.
Only one way to go.
All right, so we heard a little bit of the history. Now, what everyone wants to see is it work. So give us a little what's going on here, and then we'll start running it.
Yeah, of course. Well, the whole machine it operates off of computer vision, which is really just a fancy way of saying it's got a camera on board. It's looking down. The camera is looking this way. The camera, by looking at these markers that are down on the wood, it's just this low-cost tape that you throw down.
See that for a second?
Sure. Once the camera sees that tape, it understands its it helps the tool understand its position in 3D space and relative to the workspace at any given time. With that knowledge and with information about what you're trying to cut, you now have the capability for the tool to, if you get it close to what you're trying to cut, it'll get you exactly on track with what you're trying to cut.
That's great. That's exciting.
It's like autocorrect for your hands.
It is. All right, so we have the roadmap down. Now show me how to use this.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. We've designed this. We're trying to take as many steps out as possible, make it really easy and intuitive to use, and make it so that you're not running back and forth to your laptop to try to do basic things. So now that we've scanned in the image, just zooming out here, I'll turn off the grid here.
Okay.
Oops, turn off the grid. Taking a view, zoom back in. Now we pull in a design file. In this case, we will grab. Let's say this.
Let's go with hay
sign. Do a hay. We'll turn back on the grid. Now, if we want to center this up on the board, you'll see the nice little coordinate system comes up.
So
I think this board's about 21 inches wide. So maybe if you center it up at x equals 10.5, that would be good. Bingo. And then decide where you want to put it up in y space. That'd be good.
Let's go with 3.
Whenever you decide, you can either hit that button or hit that button.
All right, we're going to go with
that
place.
Places it. What we're effectively doing is just locking that in place. Notice now if we move the machine, this thing is digitally latched onto your workpiece. So you could come back to that anytime later, continue where you left off. So now we'll come into cut mode. We're going to designate a couple things. We just tell it what diameter cutter we have in, 1/4 inch. Tell it how deep we want to go. You can change the depth right there.
Okay.
We'll just kind of break into the surface since we're doing the logo. Next thing you want to do is make sure we're going to cut inside path. Just choose wherever you want to start cutting. Now your job as the operator is to keep this big circle somewhere on that dotted line. If you can keep that big circle somewhere on the line, the machine's going to do the rest to keep it on track. Okay, so and then you see the little dotted, we call it marching ants, so the dotted lines. That's the direction you're going to want to cut. It's giving you the recommended cut for the best cut quality for a conventional milling direction.
Okay.
So when you're ready, just go ahead and turn on the router spindle. I'm going to turn on the vacuum for dust collection.
Okay.
And when you're ready, just go ahead and press the start cutting button.
Here we go.
Let it rip. I'm going to show you a little trick when you get up to this next part of the H. Keep going. Now see this little U-turn?
Yeah.
Kind of park the circle over the center of it. Move the machine right here. See there's an auto button there?
Yep.
Go ahead and squeeze that button down. Squeeze it. anything within that corrected range, it will automatically cut. That comes in a lot. It's very handy when you're trying to do some tight, intricate work.
That is great.
You can hit that anytime you want, or you don't need
yeah.
to. It depends what you're more comfortable with.
Show that off again.
There you go. So it'll just do anything within that corrected circle. Okay, whenever you're done with the cut, you can hit the retract button. You can go over to the next letter.
Let's say just with the H, just so everyone can check it out.
Sounds great.
All right.
Yeah.
So
go ahead and turn this off. Turn off the vacuum. Go ahead and move the machine away. Yep. Do a quick blast with that. We could. Pro handheld routing right
yeah,
there.
man. I think everyone can see how easy that is. I did none of that. Machine did all that. You guys in this booth did all that. So that's pretty amazing.
Really. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
All right. Thanks for coming by, Ethan.
Ethan from IWF TV. See you at this booth. Definitely stop by. It's worth it. Oh, and they're winners.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Check
IWF
that out.
Challenge Visionary Award winner.
Can't forget
Very
that.
proud of that.
All right.
Thank you.
Awesome, Joe.
Awesome. Thanks so
Great
much.
talking with you.
Cheers.
See you there from IWF TV. Check out the next video.